Hey guys, just wanted to talk to you about your hail damage. So a lot of people are asking me for estimates, and an estimate's fine because most people don't see all the damage that's on their vehicle at their house or, outside. So I just wanted to show you an estimate that I've done here at Woodman Collision. This is where I'm set up. So if you've got an insurance claim, you can come here and I'll repair your vehicle. So just wanted to show you an estimate I got done doing. This gentleman said he had very light hail damage, and as you can see from the video, it's not very light. This Toyota Highlander was parked at the airport. It took substantial damage. The gentleman thought that it was just he saw a few dents outside, but as you can see when I bring it in and circle all the damage, there's a lot. I didn't circle the roof because there's over 1,000 dents on that roof, and every panel, every trim piece got hit. So if you have hail damage on your vehicle, it's probably more than you see, and it's going to warrant an insurance claim. This is a State Farm insurance job. The shop I'm at is direct repair for State Farm, so it's a quick turnaround, fast, easy process. This is a different vehicle that I'm working on today. This is also a Toyota. This is the Camry. This has substantial hail damage on it as well. You can see in the light, there's just hundreds and hundreds of dents on the roof, and they're like that all the way around. The trim pieces are damaged as well. Here's the hood. You can see a lot of dents. So this is virtually unseeable outside until you get inside under these lights. There's way more damage than you can tell outside. So this warrants an insurance claim. This too is I believe this is Allstate, and the shop I'm at, Woodman Collision, is also direct repair for Allstate. Makes the process real simple and fast. Essentially, once the vehicle's here and I've estimated it, I can commence repairs. So get this one fixed up today, make it look brand new. Another added bonus to come in here, this guy's bumper's falling off. I can't leave his car like that. I'm going to fix that, even though it's not related to the claim. If your vehicle was damaged in the recent hailstorm, the first step is to call your insurance company and make a claim. A lot of people want to just get the estimate, but it really doesn't make any sense, because if you can see more than 5 or 6 dents in your car, you're going to need to file an insurance claim, because the price to repair it is going to quickly exceed your deductible. So I'm working at Woodman Collision. It's over in Godfrey, Illinois. It's just north of Fast Eddie's, not too far north. I'm sure everybody's been there. So if you've got a hail damaged vehicle, this is most likely where I'll send you. Woodman's a family-owned body shop. They've been in business for several generations, and I've been here for about 15 years, strictly doing hail damage repair. So if you got a hail damaged car, shoot me a message. I'll direct you to make a claim first, and then once you have a claim number, I'll get you scheduled in here at Woodman Collision, and we'll get your hail damage taken care of for you. You get back on the road. One other little benefit about coming to me to get your hail fixed, I'm gonna make your car good as new. So if there's any dents or bumps or bruises or scrapes while I'm fixing the hail, I'll go ahead and smooth all that stuff out too. So we do a really good job over here, myself and Woodman. We kind of team up on the cars, and I know you'll be happy. Have a great day.